making a simple little video cast using Screencastomatic as an illustration, and I wanted to again review some of the expectations for the lesson planning that's going to go into this. So you remember we're using MindMeister to plan lessons. In this case the video. We're going to eventually develop a 3 to 5 minute example video, and just to demonstrate you can use the technology. But again, it's important to be able to plan the lesson that goes with it. So remember, these are the elements that I want you to incorporate into your lesson planning, the objectives, and these are derived from the Manitoba curriculum, of course. Useful to be able to embed links, and in this case I just embedded some notes, some of the general learning objectives for this particular grade 5 science class. You can incorporate it, and typically you can find all these on the actual curriculum documents. The outcomes, the achievement indicators, all those different things. Then the required resources to teach this lesson using video. What do you need? Do you need permissions? Do you need supports? Do you need technology? Of course, all these different things. The material would be included in the materials. The introduction and set. These are all the elements that you use as a standard part of the lesson planning design. How do you intend to activate learners? Set the hook. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink, but you can put salt in their oats. So this is where you put salt in the oats. And then, of course, acquire and apply. All of those should be familiar elements to you from lesson planning. Finally, notes. You should include these, and especially if you're going to use a system like this for long-term use, professional teaching strategy. You want to include these things. How am I going to evaluate these things as of standard terminology that you're experienced with using with respect to evaluation. Analysis. There should be some summary. What your strategies are for teaching. One thing that I also encourage you to include into this is your sort of a review. What happened when you delivered this lesson? So that next year when you deliver this lesson again, was there things that you needed to change? Was it too short, too long? Did you not have the right resources? Did you need different permissions? What do you need to do to change this lesson to make it better for next time? So that's kind of a quick little review of this, and again, quick little example of Screencastomatic.